We meet again. Yep. You gotta put up with this butt wipe again. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about that. Well, in today's episode, well, this is gonna be a scary video. This is gonna be a pretty risky video. Well, well, oh, sorry, I'm nervous right now. This is gonna be nerve-wracking. Well, we're gonna play a little hide and seek game with the gear knob, with my gear knob. Well, as you notice in my other videos, that gear knob, it always attacks me. It's a cursed, dangerous gear knob. It's alive. Well, but today, I'm gonna play hide and seek. We gotta find each other. And this ain't gonna be no ordinary hide and seek game. Every time we find each other, we gotta pull each other out and do a butt whooping on each other. Yeah, we have to rip each other out of the hiding spot, and then gotta kick each other's asses. Yeah. Every time we find one another, we gotta bust each other up. So, and I don't know how rough that gear knob's gonna get. So when it finds me, it might kill me. Oh, this is scary. But here goes nothing. I already explained the rules to the gear knob, so that gear knob, it kind of had an evil smirk to it. Oh crap. Oh crap. There's a gear knob. That gear knob is alive and cursed. It's gonna find me. And I'm gonna be first to I gotta hide. I'm the first one. Oh crap. Alright, you gotta turn around and don't look. And count and wait until 10 hours. Make it 1,000,000 hours. When that time's up, you gotta find me. Okay, that gear knob's looking the other way. I gotta hide. No peeking. Okay, it's looking the other way. Oh shoot, I gotta hide. Oh crap, I gotta hide somewhere. Time's a ticking. Oh shoot. Ah! Where do I hide? I gotta hide in the closet. Okay. I'm gonna have to hide in here in this closet. When that gear knob finds me, I don't know how violent it's gonna get. That gear knob, it's found me in this closet before, so I hope it doesn't find me again. Oh crap. Get behind these clothes. Get out of my way. Oh,
6 hours later.
okay. It's been a few hours later. I think time is up. Oh crap. That gear knob is looking for me right now, probably. Oh, I hope it doesn't find me. Oh, it's been a little while. It's been a while. I don't think it's out there. Oh, shoot. I've been hiding in here for a while. I haven't heard anything, or... Whoa, what the hell was that? Oh, crap. Something just fell in there. Oh, shoot. The hell? Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. What the hell? Yep, that gear knob is in the bedroom right now. Oh! I better be quiet. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I slowly open the door. I haven't heard anything else. Oh, crap, crap, crap. Oh, shoot. It's laying on the bed right now. Oh, that gear knob knows I'm in here, I think. What the hell? Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh crap. Uh, 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 uh. Oh, oh, oh. 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 Oh crap. That gear knob got me. Oh. Oh. Woo. That gear knob about killed me. Yeah, that gear knob tore me up pretty bad. Ouch. Where is that gear knob? Pissed me off. Little turd. Ugh. Ugh. tried to kill me. You're next. Oh yeah, that gear knob's next. It's the gear knob's turn to hide. When I find it, ooh, it's on like Donkey Kong. Alright, you. It's your time to turn to hide. When I find that gear knob, it's on. I'm gonna knock that gear knob out. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes. Better hide. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? Oh, crap.
2,000 years later.
Oh, shoot. Oh, crap, I fell asleep. Oh, crap, I gotta find that gear knob. Time's up. Okay, it's on. Where is that gear knob? When I find it. It's under the bed. I don't see anything down there. Ah, crap. Can't find it. What the hell? What the hell? The hell was that? The hell? You hear that? Sounds like it's coming from the bathroom. The hell? Is someone on my toilet? What the hell was that? Ugh. What the hell? Are you kidding me? The gear knob is on the toilet right now. Oh crap. Oh, it smells. Hey, you're supposed to be hiding, not laying a log and not being on the toilet. That gear knob is literally on the toilet right now. Oh, that smells. Woo! Oh, I can't believe that right now. That gear knob, it's literally taking a dookie in there right now on my throne. Ooh, that tears it. Nobody uses that toilet besides me. Nobody uses that toilet but me. Ooh, I'm gonna bust that gear knob up. Woo! It smells in there. You better get off my toilet. Oh, shoot. That's it. Ugh. Gonna kick your ass. Ugh. Get back here. Ugh, you better run. Use my toilet. That gear knob had to go. Ooh, it smells in there. It's stinking up the whole house. Didn't even bother. The gear knob didn't even bother to spray in there. Ah, crap. Now it's my turn to hide. Better look away. Thank you. I gotta hide. Time's a ticking. I gotta hide. I'm gonna hide in the shed. Shoot, close that door. I'll hide in here in this shed. Hope that gear knob doesn't find me again. That about killed me last time. Shoot, I gotta... Oh, crap, I think time is up. I gotta cover up somewhere. I don't hear anything out there. Gear knob's gonna find me, I hope not. Is it out there? Oh, crap, 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 crap. Gear knob is right there. I don't think it's looking at me though. Oh, crap. I just broke wind. Oh, shoot. I hope the gear knob didn't hear that. Oh, crap. Oh, crap, 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 crap. I think it saw me. I hope. I think that gear knob sees me. Oh, crap. Yep, I'm done. It sees me. Yeah, this ain't gonna end well. Oh crap, it's getting in here. Yeah. I'm dead. Oh! 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 Ouch! Oh! 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, that gear knob tore me up. Ouch. That gear knob about destroyed me. That gear knob ain't no bigger than spit, but it threw me around. Big time. It just threw me all over the place. Oh, it hurt. That gear knob is not a joke. It's the gear knob's turn. Now I gotta find it. I'm gonna have to find each other one more time, and I'm gonna have to stop this game. This game is getting out of hand. Alright. Just got done counting About 20 more hours has gone, 20 more years has gone by. I counted for about 20 years, so now I gotta find the gear knob. When I find that gear knob, I'm gonna knock it out. Where is that damn thing? Gear knob's pissing me off. Beat me up like that. Oh, I'm gonna find that gear knob. It's hiding right now. I don't see it anywhere. Oh crap, it's got a gun. That gear knob has got a gun right now. I think I'm gonna have to end this video. Yeah, I think this game is over. That gear knob's getting out of control. That gear knob didn't even hide. It just jumped me out of nowhere. Pulled a gun on me. Shot me in my butt crack. I'm trying to hide out in this bedroom right now. There's just no place to hide. That gear knob will find me anywhere. I can't hide from that gear knob. It teleports. Oh crap. Oh. 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 I'm sorry. Oh. I gotta get out of here. Get off of me, damn it. I gotta go. I gotta go. Yep. Game's over. This is getting out of hand. That gear knob's gonna kill me. Oh shoot.